Hello friends, Running Kimono here. I hope you're all having a fantastic Monday. In today's video, we are looking at the best curbside deals over at Walgreens until September the 2nd, which is Saturday. So in the app, desktop, computer, or tablet, you pick your electronic device. You're going to be hitting that blue box on the left-hand side, placing this order from the comforts of your home, driving to the store, getting it at the photo counter, or calling the phone number and an employee will bring it out for you, and that is known as a curbside pickup. A bit more control for a lot of you that like to shop from home to see what inventory they have. You can see how deals are stacking, so on and so forth. This sort of shopping, there are no register rewards. That is in-store only, yet the pricing sometimes is a little bit cheaper. Let's get to. Now, if you're more of a shopper that likes to shop in store and you like the register rewards and to see what things are right in front of your face, I get that. I'm kind of that way as well. I made a video yesterday where I actually got 3 of these boosters to stack, first aid kits for everybody. It was a pretty cool haul. Check it out. I'll link it at the very end. If I could possibly ask you guys to do me a huge favor, if you could like and subscribe to my channel, I would be so grateful. And a lot of you thought that to subscribe to a YouTube channel, it costs money. Hey, guess what? It's absolutely free and it really helps me out. So if you could just like and subscribe, I would be so grateful. Okay, we're also going to hop into this. These are the only 2 stacking that we can do with this video. 7 back when you spend 25 on health and wellness, so vitamins, first aid, that good stuff. And then 15 back when you spend 40, but that's a general merchandise basket, but we're going to investigate that in one of the deals. So the first many deals we're going to look at is just if you want to blow through $10 of Walgreens cash, if you might have it on your store card. The first is to grab 2 of these Pantenes for $12. And I was so busy yesterday, guys, with the first aid stuff and the vitamins that I spaced on this. So apologies, but this deal is actually happening and I predicted it correctly in my Friday video. Throwing 2 of these into a basket, they're really great. And we have a 5 off 2 digital, which is very generous on Pantene's behalf. They're giving us $4 back in Walgreens cash for this one. And in store, I believe it's a register reward. We're also going to throw into our basket one of these Febreze fabric sprays for $3.29. If you have pets, you know this stuff is magic in a bottle. And we're going to load this guy, which is a $2.30 digital, off of one of those glorious products. To get the basket right to $10, we're also going to throw in 2 of these $1.99 Reese's cups. Such a great price. So the overall basket is $19.27. Curbside pickup is free, a bit of tax, $7.29 coming off in digital coupons. So the new total is $12.90. I personally would use $10 in Walgreens cash if you may have it. Pay the $2.90. When you pick up your order, you're going to get $4.19 for that Pantene. I think it's a very solid deal. You have a little bit of candy, some nice shampoo, some Febreze. I mean, it's just a great little basket. Okay, the next deal that we have is a deal number 2. And we're going to grab, just kind of like augment that last basket, one of the Walgreens Epsom salts for $4.99 and then 2 of those Pantene rescue shots. We're going to load this digital coupon, which is $1.50 off. And that Epsom salt is a lot of product in that bag too, just to note that. And then we're also going to load our best friend, which is the 5 off 2. So in case you just wanted a simpler basket, this is the one. $16.99 free curbside pickup, $1.02 in tax. Wow. $6.50 in digitals melting off. $11.51. I personally would use $10 in Walgreens cash and pay $1.51. And you're going to get back $4 in Walgreens cash for those Pantene rescue shots. And that's a really great product if you like to deep condition your shampoo. If you have a long mane of hair like yours truly, it's just a glorious product. Okay, let's look at deal number 3. And this one, we're going to look at these 2 friends. 7 back when you spend 25, and we're looking at like a supplement vitamin sort of product. And then 15 back when you spend 40. We're going to grab this bad boy for $44.99. Very expensive. Some of us have this very generous coupon, which is a $16 off. Not every card got it, so sorry in advance. And double, triple check as the week progresses if IBOTTA might have it, a rebate or something, or one of the apps. So $44.99 free curbside pickup. No tax on vitamins. That's nice. $16 melting off. With your debit card, pay $28.99. And you're getting back $22.44 for the 2 boosters. They're stacking. As you're using 2 different boosters, use your debit card as it's a spend offer. But how great is this? Okay, deal number 4. For this basket, a hodgepodge of home goods, including this one, the double pack of the Airwick Fresh Linen. Must be that scent for $7.99. This goofy coupon's attaching. I do not know for how long, but if you want to do this deal, go for it. If not, pass on it. Also going to grab a Bic disposable razor for $5.29. And we have this coupon that's attaching. So how lovely is that? Do love. And we're also going to grab an Epsom salt because I'm not an original girl. Either that or the chocolates for $1.99, the snack packs of the Reese's or Snickers, you pick. And then we're going to load our friend, which is $1.50, a manufacturer coupon, which is weird. Looking at the overall basket, it's $18.27. We have a bit of tax today, $1.10. $12.50 in digitals melting off. Pay $6.87. I personally would use $5 in Walgreens cash and pay $1.87 and call this a super duper deal. The final deal that I have prepared for you, deal number 5. So the children's DIMETAPP as a curbside pickup is $2.29. We have an IVC for $2 off, dropping that down to 29 cents. I added 4 to a basket along with 1 tampon or Tampax for $6.99. So check this out. This is a Walgreens coupon, but it will attach many times. If you have little ones, definitely stock up, guys. And we have this $4 only for you. So if you have this one, definitely use it because it's fantastic. And we're also going to add to the basket one of these $1.99 Walgreens toilet papers and then another Playtex for $6.99. For the toilet paper, use this code OB50 and you're going to get 50 cents off that teeny tiny pack. And then for the last box of Tamps, we have a $2.50 off of the Clean Comfort. So that's pretty nice. Looking at the overall basket, it's $25.13. $8.50 melting off in promotions, free curbside pickup, 16 cents in tax, and $6.50 in digitals melting off. The order is $10.29. I personally would use $10 in Walgreens cash if you may have it. Pay that 29 cents and call this a super-duper deal. That's it for this video, guys. If you are an in-store shopper, please check out the video linked right here. As always, thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.